Hey everyone, and welcome. So today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to take a guided tour, a peek inside the SAP Business Data Cloud course to really understand what it's all about and how it's designed to connect your core business data with the future of analytics and AI. All right, so here's the game plan for our tour today. First, we'll get our bearings and figure out what SAP BDC even is. Then we'll dive into the absolute core concept, data products. After that, the really exciting stuff, connecting to AI and Databricks. Then we'll look at a super practical use case, modernizing your old BW system. And finally, we'll see what it all leads to, unlocking some truly intelligent analytics. Okay, first things first. Before we can get to all the cool, advanced applications, we've got to start with the basics, right? We need to build a solid foundation and really wrap our heads around what the SAP Business Data Cloud actually is. So here's the key takeaway right up front. SAP BDC isn't just another place to store your data. It's not a big digital filing cabinet. Think of it more like an active workshop. Its whole job is to take your raw traditional data and transform it into these intelligent, ready-to-use data products. It's about turning a passive asset into something active and valuable. And the course doesn't just throw you into the deep end. It starts you off with the absolute essentials. You'll get a tour of the system's architecture to see how it all fits together. You'll learn how to get around in the BDC Cockpit. That's basically your command center. And you'll even get your hands dirty by setting up your own trial account. Okay, so once you have that foundation, everything starts building towards this one huge central idea. And honestly, it's a bit of a game changer. It's the concept of data products. And this slide, I think, just lays it out perfectly. It's the before and after. We're all familiar with the old world, right? Data stuck in different systems, totally raw, and just a pain to get to. The whole goal here is to move to this new world of intelligent data products, where everything is connected, it's enriched with business context, and it's just ready to go. And it's not just about what a data product is. The course really walks you through its entire life cycle. You'll learn the basics, of course, but then you'll learn how to make them even better by enriching them, how to build your very own from scratch, and, this is critical, how to share them securely with the right people using DataShare. Okay, now we're getting to the really exciting part. This is the wow factor, you know? This is where we see how to connect all that super valuable context-rich business data to the wild world of AI and high-end data science. I mean, this is the whole point, isn't it? To take your core SAP data, your sales figures, your supply chain info, all that good stuff, and plug it straight into the generative AI revolution. It's about making your data a first-class citizen in the world of cutting-edge tech. And the course gets really specific. We're talking about tools like Databricks, which is huge because it finally lets your data scientists work with live business data, not stale copies. And it's not just that. You'll actually learn how to hook into large language models, bridging your core business info with the latest in generative AI. So that all sounds amazing, right? But it brings up a pretty big practical question. How does this all actually happen? Where does all that complex connection work get done? You can't just plug an LMM into your ERP system. And boom, there's the answer. The course makes it really clear. All this heavy lifting, this integration with the big AI models, it happens right inside the Databricks environment. So it's not some abstract theory. It's showing you the how and the where to bring your SAP data and these powerful AI models together. All right, let's switch gears a bit and talk about something super practical, something that's going to hit home for a lot of you who've been in the SAP world for a while. Modernizing those legacy SAP Business Warehouse, or BW, systems. This slide really nails the why, doesn't it? On one side, you've got the old way, often stuck on-premise, super rigid, with migrations that are, let's be honest, a nightmare. And on the other, you've got the new world that BDC opens up, cloud-native, built around these flexible data products, and offering a much, much simpler way forward. And the course gives you a really clear two-step playbook. Step 1, get your BW system migrated to BDC. Step 2, and this is the really clever part, is showing you how to take your existing BW objects, like an ADSO, and basically mint them into these shiny, new, flexible data products. You're essentially freeing your data from those old, rigid structures. So, you've done all this work, you've modernized, you've created these awesome data products. What's the end game? What's the whole point? Well, it's all about what you can finally build with all of this. And this is where it all comes together. The last part of the course is all about the payoff. You're going to learn how to build these incredible visual stories in SAP Analytics Cloud, create your own intelligent apps, and of course, let your data scientists loose to explore and analyze everything directly in Databricks. It's about putting that data to work. And that really brings us to the final big picture idea here. This course isn't just about a new piece of technology. It's about redesigning your whole data landscape so you can finally answer tomorrow's business questions. You know, the answers are already sitting there, inside your data. The real question is your system ready to ask the right questions?